Okay, so I was having trouble getting my Beats Studio Wireless to charge. I had watched the videos on doing the thing where you hold down this and the power button at the same time, and it did not work. I tried all the different time increments. So what I started playing around with this, and it started to work for me. The connection cable doesn't have a good grip on the area where you plug it in, and it only charges when the pressure is going one way and it's really touching it. So what I did was I plugged it in and then messed around with it, and then it started to charge, and then I would lean it to a point where this would be forced down on a certain part of the metal area, and the metal pieces were connecting, and then it would charge. So I just had to make a kind of a contraption where it would just sit down and lay, and there'd be a bunch of pressure on the cord, so the cord would be directly touching the metal part. And that is what was able to help me get the Beats Studio Wireless to charge.